Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
President Gahinyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization ubak Donbok Dakhar habujubab igajing kali halor gajing penbet yo put usam ulong agabenta kebeningkong jong gajing ya penbet put apreng ke sarkar Assam ba ke sarkar Meghalaya umentri rang ba kejala kondot ke sangma lokot beni kendu ban skau thu ya ke MOU henrei amshim la pen i kot kisla pan pen i ke e ke balatho apo ke MOU henrei kila pha be chakatanat MHA jong ke sarkar pedeng ulong ru abakentho balai ke CBI hab ban wanra ban pha tokit halo ke jingja hamukro ubak Donbok luong gani gede ba ke sarkar pedeng gamshania iki artli ki sarkar kata ke sarkar Assam ke sarkar Meghalaya badai halo gani ke nongrim ki sawanra ya ke CBI.
The first time that both Meghalaya and Assam government been dealing this issue border. Recently, the Chief Minister has invited us to understand the MOU, but that time they didn't provide any documents to show that what is already written in the MOU, but direct to the central government, to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The same thing apply here. I have seen that why CBI have to involve in Mukro incident. I have seen that the central government don't trust both the Meghalaya and Assam government. So that's what they have to convey, and the Ministry of Home Affairs have to take up this matter.
Don't you think that it is and allow it to reach to its logical conclusion?
So, to be frankly, I think even you have seen that this is through the MOU understanding between Meghalaya, Assam and Amit Shah. Amit Shah, who is the Home Minister. So it is clearly that the Ministry of Home Affairs itself and the central government is involved in this border issue.